Welcome back to our channel, where we explore fascinating topics related to health and well-being. Today, we're diving into a topic that many of us can relate to: feeling tired all the time. Did you know that fatigue is one of the most common complaints among people worldwide? In fact, studies have shown that approximately 20% of individuals experience persistent fatigue. But don't worry, because in this video, we'll uncover the reasons behind your tiredness and provide you with some valuable tips to help you regain your energy and vitality. So let's jump right in. 1. Stressing over small things. Stress is an unavoidable aspect of our lives. Nevertheless, we frequently become upset and anxious about matters that hold little significance. The state of stress affects both our physical and mental well-being, which means that when we accumulate unnecessary problems, it exhausts us more than it would under normal circumstances. By diminishing the level of stress we experience in relation to trivial situations or issues that will be resolved swiftly, we conserve our energy for more substantial matters. 2. Not having a vision. When you lack a clear vision of what you genuinely desire in life, it can lead to a sense of exhaustion and diminished motivation. Your daily tasks may appear purposeless, causing them to feel unnecessary or burdensome. Discovering your vision can be transformative, as it enables you to uncover the value and significance in everything you do. By looking ahead to the future and identifying what you truly want, you can establish a connection between that desire and every task and decision you encounter. This connection infuses purpose and meaning into your actions, making them more meaningful and invigorating. When your tasks align with your vision, you'll find yourself feeling more energized and motivated to pursue them with enthusiasm. 3. Not taking breaks. The pressure to constantly work and maintain high levels of engagement and productivity can create a sense of being always on, leaving little room for rest. Neglecting breaks and leisure time can result in persistent exhaustion that even sleep cannot alleviate. It is crucial to establish a well-organized daily routine that includes dedicated periods for both rest and work. By incorporating regular breaks into your schedule, you not only recharge your energy, but also enhance your overall performance and unleash your creativity. Taking breaks allows your mind and body to rejuvenate, leading to improved productivity, concentration, and problem-solving abilities. It also helps prevent burnout and allows you to approach tasks with a fresh perspective and renewed motivation. Remember, finding the right balance between work and rest is key to achieving better outcomes and maintaining your well-being. So prioritize self-care and ensure that you allocate sufficient time for relaxation and rejuvenation within your day. 4. Working at a job you dislike. Considering that a significant portion of our lives is dedicated to work, it becomes evident that a mundane or toxic job has the potential to deplete our energy reserves. The struggles and stress associated with the work itself or the negative environment can leave us feeling emotionally and physically exhausted. Additionally, engaging in highly monotonous tasks can contribute to this fatigue. However, discovering work that holds meaning and excitement can have a transformative effect on our well-being. When we are genuinely engaged in our work, it can fuel us with energy rather than deplete it. To achieve this, it may be necessary to explore alternative work options. This could involve seeking a new workplace with better interpersonal relationships and a supportive atmosphere, actively pursuing new job opportunities that ignite our passion, or even finding ways to infuse meaning into the current work we do. By actively seeking a work environment that aligns with our values and goals, we create the opportunity to feel more engaged, inspired, and energized. Remember, finding meaningful work is a personal journey, and it may require exploration, self-reflection, and taking calculated risks. However, the rewards of discovering work that truly excites us are immeasurable, as it can significantly enhance our overall well-being and sense of fulfillment. 5. Having an irregular sleep cycle, maintaining a consistent sleep schedule where we adhere to regular bedtimes and wake-up times is beneficial for our overall health. Conversely, constantly shifting our sleep schedule can have negative repercussions, leading to fatigue even if we manage to obtain a full 8 hours of sleep. Sleeping in late or staying up past a certain point, particularly after 2 a.m., often results in a worsened sense of well-being. Without a fixed sleep routine, we may experience reduced restfulness and lower sleep quality. Additionally, we may encounter difficulties in both falling asleep and waking up at desired times. A lack of a consistent sleep schedule disrupts our internal body clock, known as the circadian rhythm, which plays a vital role in regulating various physiological processes. When our sleep patterns lack stability, our body struggles to synchronize with its natural rhythms, leading to feelings of grogginess and a general sense of tiredness. To optimize our sleep and wakefulness, it is essential to establish a consistent routine that allows for sufficient rest at the same times each day. By adhering to a regular sleep schedule, we enhance the quality of our sleep, improve daytime alertness, and foster a sense of overall well-being. Remember, maintaining a disciplined sleep routine is a key component of a healthy lifestyle and can greatly contribute to our overall energy levels and vitality. 6. Lacking nutrients. To maintain optimal energy levels throughout the day, it is crucial to ensure that our bodies receive an adequate supply of essential nutrients. If we find ourselves consistently feeling tired, it may be an indication that we need to increase our nutrient intake. This includes elements such as proteins, fats, and carbohydrates, as these provide the necessary fuel for our bodies to efficiently carry out internal processes. Incorporating a variety of vitamins into our diet and ensuring we meet our nutritional requirements can significantly impact our levels of fatigue. By providing our bodies with the necessary nutrients, we support their optimal functioning and bolster our overall energy levels. Fatigue can stem from various causes, and sometimes it may be a combination of multiple factors. It is important to identify all the contributing factors that may be making us tired and take appropriate steps to address them. This may involve lifestyle changes, improving habits related to sleep, exercise, and nutrition, as well as finding meaning and purpose in our daily tasks. If persistent fatigue persists despite making these adjustments, it is crucial to consider whether there may be underlying medical reasons contributing to it. In such cases, seeking medical advice and addressing any potential health concerns becomes essential. Ultimately, by making conscious changes to our lifestyle, enhancing our daily habits, and finding fulfillment in our activities, we can significantly boost our energy levels and combat fatigue effectively. Conclusion. And that brings us to the end of this video, where we've explored the common issue of feeling tired all the time. Fatigue is a widespread concern that can significantly impact our quality of life. But the good news is that there are various strategies we can implement to combat it and regain our energy. We discussed the importance of understanding the causes of fatigue, such as lack of quality sleep, sedentary lifestyle, stress, and underlying medical conditions. By identifying these factors, we can take targeted steps to address them and make positive changes in our lives. We also emphasize the significance of finding meaning and purpose in what we do. Whether it's seeking a more fulfilling job, infusing passion into our current tasks, or creating a vision for our future, finding that sense of purpose can fuel our motivation and energize us. Additionally, we explored the value of maintaining a consistent sleep schedule, ensuring proper nutrition, and taking regular breaks to rejuvenate ourselves. These lifestyle adjustments can have a profound impact on our energy levels and overall well-being. Remember, finding solutions to combat fatigue may involve a combination of strategies, and it's important to listen to your body and seek professional advice if needed. But with determination, self-care, and a positive mindset, we can overcome fatigue and embrace a more vibrant and energetic life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on health and well-being. And as always, take care of yourself and prioritize your energy and vitality. Until next time, stay energized and keep chasing your dreams.